You lose money because you chase the perfect product. But the real winners do this. They take a normal product and sell it with the right angle. After watching this video, you'll learn how to pick a product, choose the best audience for it, write a clear description, and an ad hook that makes people think, wait, that's for me. So let's get started. To turn a simple product into a winning one, we need 5 steps. When I say winning product, I mean showing the product so it feels specific, useful, and personal. And the product we'll use today is something very ordinary and very common: car vent cleaning gel. You know, that squishy gel that pulls dust out of air vents and tight seams and cup holders, all those annoying little places you can't reach with your fingers or a vacuum cleaner. I know what you're probably thinking. Who's going to buy that? Exactly. Because if you can turn a common product into a winning one, you can do it with almost anything. Think about Pepsi and Coca-Cola. Barely noticeable difference in flavor, yet both companies earn a ton of money, all thanks to the right positioning. Okay, let's begin with the first step. Here's the biggest mistake beginners make: trying to sell a product to everyone. When you sell to everyone, your message becomes too bland and too generic. Something like, "This is nice," and nice doesn't make people buy. We don't just buy things, we buy solutions for our lives. That's why you need to define who you are selling to. So look at this product and ask yourself, who would care the most about a clean car? Here are 4 groups that can potentially buy our product. First, pet owners. Their cars are full of animal fur, dirt, and so much more. They love their pets, but their car interiors look like a pet salon floor after a busy day. Second, parents. Crumbled snacks everywhere, dust, mysterious wet spots, and sand from the beach. If you've ever had kids in a car, you know what I mean. Third, rideshare and taxi drivers, Uber, Lyft, and traditional cabs. A clean car means better ratings, better tips, and less stress. Now, pick one group, not because one is better than the others, but because focus makes the sale easier. Let's pick the drivers because their why is very strong and simple. If you drive people around, your car is your workplace. A clean car means better ratings and more tips. Now, let's do something that is both easy and very effective. Let's borrow the exact words your customers use. Because if you speak the same language they speak, your ad doesn't feel like an ad. It feels like a friend saying, "Hey, dude, this might help you." Where do we find those words? 1. TikTok comments under car cleaning videos. 2. Reddit posts from rideshare drivers. 3. Facebook groups for drivers. And 4. Amazon reviews for similar products. We need to look for phrases like, "I need a quick clean between rides," "My vents always look dusty," "I can't spend 40 minutes cleaning every day," "I want my car interior to look decent," "Passengers notice everything." That's the real feeling behind the purchase. Your customers don't know how to solve their problem yet. First, they describe it in their own language. They don't search for gel compound or slime cleaner. And here's an extra tip. Keep a note on your phone called buyer phrases. Every time you see a good line, copy it. This list becomes your best script writer. Now you choose the promise. The promise is not a feature like soft gel or new formula. It's the result someone gets. For our drivers group, this promise could be, make your car look clean in 2 minutes between rides. That's it. Simple and believable. Then add one trust detail, because trust sells more than hype. While looking at your product, buyers may have certain worries. For example, if we take our gel, will it leave a sticky residue? Will it melt? Will it dry out? So you need to calm your buyers with 1 or 2 simple, honest details. Doesn't leave sticky residue, easy to store, works on vents and tight seams, comes with a small case so it stays fresh. Customers look for a product, they find it, they even see a decent promise, and then a random sentence like, "Best cleaning gel, high quality, fast shipping." That's the most default thing you can write. You don't want that. You need one clear idea that makes the right person think, "Wait, this is exactly my problem." So here's what you do. Turn your promise into one clean, cohesive sentence that conveys everything. Here's the simplest template ever. It's simple on purpose. If it sounds too salesy, it won't work. We want it to sound like a friend explaining a helpful thing. Let's fill in the blanks for our product. For rideshare drivers who don't have time for deep cleaning, this vent cleaning gel helps your car look fresh in minutes without scrubbing or tools. That's the winning angle. But let's make it even stronger because one sentence is good, but we want it to carry your whole store like a backbone. A stronger winning angle has 3 extra pieces. The moment. When do they need it? Rideshare drivers don't need a Saturday deep clean. They need a clean between rides. Add that moment into the message. A fresh look between rides. 2. The emotion. What are they afraid of? Drivers worry about bad ratings, low tips, and that awkward moment when somebody gets in and the car looks dusty. So we lightly hint at that. Feel confident when a passenger gets in. 3. The proof hook. Why should they trust it? Add one believable detail, not a huge claim. No tools, no mess, just press, lift, done. Now you can apply a different version depending on where you use it. Short version for a headline, 2-minute car reset for rideshare drivers. Emotional version for ads. When you've got 3 minutes before the next pickup, this makes your car look clean fast so you don't have to feel judged. See, same product, same promise, but now it feels alive and specific. And if you're thinking, okay, but writing all this, making the page look right, making it sound good, that's the hard part. That's exactly why Sellvia is so helpful for beginners. With our marketing bundle, you don't have to sit there thinking, what do I write? Our team can help you fill the store with products already prepared for selling, so you can focus on the one thing that really matters, your positioning. Simply decorate a ready-made shop. All right, now that our angle is clear and strong, step 5 becomes much easier because you're going to build the offered product page so it matches the exact message. This is the part where many sellers mess up. They create a nice description, but their product page still looks too generic, and the customer loses that "this is for me" feeling. You don't want that. You want every part of that page to match. Here's how to fix that. First, your product page headline, not premium gel cleaner, not ultimate detailing compound, write 2-minute car cleanup for rideshare drivers. Simple and clear. Then the first line that goes under the headline, quick cleanup between rides, vents, seams, cup holders. So the buyer agrees, yeah, it's hard to reach, that's what I need. You can also show a video demo. For example, a driver parks. He has 3 minutes before the next pickup. He looks at the vent. It's dusty. He uses the gel, dust comes out, done. You can also show a before and after shot. People love seeing the difference. Show the gel afterwards. It's dirty, meaning it clearly works. Now you know how to turn one incredibly basic product into a winning one. Turns out it's not too difficult. Am I right? If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.